gang, it's Bonaire and Alana, and we're from Renovations Renovations, and we are here today because we're going to transform a bathroom with the new Dulux Renovation Range.
Now, the big catch here is
budget.
It's on a budget, so it needs to be under $5,000.
Under 5K, wow, okay.
Yeah. What do you think of that?
So it has to be unbelievable
Yes.
and unrecognisable
Yes. For under 5K?
for under 5K.
We're talking paint, new tapware, styling, lighting,
Mirrors.
anything else you can think of for under $5,000.
Okay, I think we can do it. I'm a
Okay.
little bit excited.
Come on in. It's actually got beautiful natural light. It's big, it's spacious. So let's talk about what we're going to do. First thing we're going to change is this door. We're going to paint it and we're going to change this old-fashioned handle. We're going to paint timber cabinetry and we'll replace these gold handles. Gold is definitely the theme we're going to go with. We'll be replacing the tapware. We're going to keep the bench top as it is to have a little bit of that warmth. Paint the timber. We'll remove the mirror, put something new on there. Over in the shower here, you can see these gorgeous gold hinges. We love some gold hinges, but we're going to get the tapware to match all of that. So we'll replace these remind me of like old laundries, these taps and this shower head. Otherwise, leave the shower exactly where it is. We're going to paint all the wall tiles, including in the shower. We're going to paint around the bath using the Dulux Renovation Range. And over on this side, we're actually going to keep these towel rails because quite frankly, this is what we'd probably buy and put in new anyway, so that's a win. We're going to keep the gold spout and just change the taps.
We're going to be picking out the colours for the cabinetry and the tiles.
We want to create like a really kind of fresh vibe, you know.
Day spa.
Day spa-y, but
Yeah,
I just
calm.
calm. So what colour screams calm to you?
Green.
Yeah. That's you, so we're going
Alright.
to test 3 colours in the green, and then I'm going to actually test all of the colours for the remainder of the bathroom, which is the tiles.
So this one here, this is a sample of my tiles. This will pop, and this is complimentary.
It's really important when you're doing a makeover in a space, you've got to actually consider what is staying in that space. And in this space, the floors were staying, so we had to work with those floors. If you had to choose, knowing that we want to go a green from our vision boards for the vanity,
Yes, got
we
that.
want that kind of really bony, organic colour for the walls. What are you thinking for the cabinetry?
Not this one.
Okay, that's a good start.
Start backwards.
Let's start backwards. Not that one. I
Okay.
agree. Not that one.
Oh, these two to me are so similar.
There's something that you can see that is different between the two of these. So what one is throwing cool, what one is throwing warm.
I still don't know what cool and warm are.
Okay, so
But I know
cool
that this
means
is-
blue and warm means yellow.
Yellow.
Yes.
Warm.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so then what colour is that? Is that cool or is that warm?
Warm.
So what one would we pick?
The warm.
Yes! Yes! Then we go to the wall colour that's going to complement the mossa and also going to complement the travertine.
Yes.
What are you thinking here? So talk me through these ones.
That's
Okay, grey, beautiful. So do we want grey to go with that?
No.
No. So then we've got
Okay.
Sandy Day or Buffett. What one are you thinking here?
I think that's a bit too grey.
I think
And I
you're
think
right.
that throws the yellow. And I think that's it.
And you just
Alright.
got 100%. Well done. So what would we need then to bring that to life as luxe? What's something that's luxe?
Gold.
Thank you. So gold. What's a colour that would go with this nicely? Is white going to go with this nicely?
No.
Is bone going to go with this nicely?
Bone.
So there we
So
go.
natural, neutral.
Yeah, so then we're going to bring in bone colours, things like this. But then we want this to be modern, you know, we want it to be fresh. So then that's when you can bring in, see this?
cool.
Like
Oh,
this
bit of
whole
stone,
bit of marble,
marble
bit of
look.
stone. Adding a little bit of texture, some layers through some warmth through wood.
Wood.
So white soap wouldn't look good there, would it?
No,
This
no.
one does. Then adding layers like this, can you
Yeah.
see that?
Yeah, gorgeous.
Adding layers like that in those taupey colours with the fringing, which is really relaxed. And that's kind of where you're at
It's really fun. I'm going to join your
with your
department.
bathroom. Look at
what we
that.
can do all
Adding
day.
some gold. There you have it, people.
Let's do it. We're at stage 1, preparation. So we've had the handyman come through, we've had things like the blinds taken down, the mirror behind taken off, the door handles come off. Once we're finished cleaning with the sugar soap, it will be time to do a light sand of all the surfaces. Then we will get our masking tape up, mask everything up, and then it is time to paint. We've done our cleaning, we've done our sanding, and now I've got our primer.
So Ez and I have crammed into this bathroom to spend a bit of quality time together painting.
Quality.
We didn't invite Bonnie.
No.
We just felt, she was going to slow us down. Yeah. So we are about to paint the cabinets using the Renovation Range cabinet door paint. And this is tinted in a gorgeous colour called Mossa.
Love it.
Powdery green. And let's just see how this comes out.
This is actually much easier than I expected. It goes on so smooth. It's kind of fun.
Okay, so this is the really exciting part where I'm going to paint the tiles. Painting tiles, a lot of people can be quite concerned with how durable the paint is, but this is a water-based paint specifically designed to go on these tiles. It's durable, you can tint it to 1,000 colours. We've chosen Buffet Half. And the great thing is no primer needed. You can see I'm going to put this straight onto the tiles. There we go. And I'm just going to cut in near the ceiling here. Carefully. That's it. The fun bit with the roller straight onto the tile. Oh yes. How good does that look? Oh my God, what a change. It's amazing what paint can do. Far out.
With this space, we needed something creamy. We needed something that wasn't going to be the polar opposite to the color of this tile, so it just blended in that little bit more. And I think it's working, and I think it looks really nice. So we haven't changed the floor. We haven't changed the tile, obviously, in the bathroom. The shower floor. And we haven't changed the bench top color either. And I really, really do think that it'll end up working out beautifully in the end. Another thing when you're renovating and when you're potentially looking at homes to buy, or if you've got your own home, if you luck in and you buy a home that already has cladding on it, usually this cladding is dark brown, which this one was as well. We've got it in the kitchen as well. Spraying that, giving it a fresh color, absolutely makes it feel like a new space, and then you've got all this beautiful detailing. Hey, so Bren.
Yeah.
So I can see that the handles that I've replaced the other handles with. So what's the go? They're not fitting?
No, they're not fitting because the recessed bodies that the taps actually screw into are too far back in the wall.
So what I should have done is we should have taken off the taps, looked to see how far it is recessed.
Yeah, measured how far it in it's recessed.
And then got the taps based on that.
Yeah, exactly, yeah. And then we don't have this little issue.
Lesson learned. So I've just caused a massive pain in the ass for you.
Oh, not a little bit of pain in the ass, but something that can be fixed.
It's not as usual as my my ginormous pain in the asses that I am to you.
Yeah, no, this is only a little one. This is a good.
So arch mirror time in the bathroom.
Love an arch mirror.
We do, but you know what? Arch mirrors are kind of exy, especially gold ones. Mm-hmm. And for the budget for this reno, I got slapped on the hand, not by you.
From the big dog is.
From the big dog, and she said, Bonnie, there's no chance you're buying that mirror that you want in that bathroom. I said, okay, let's do one ourselves.
How much was it?
I think it was like $39, $40.
What a price.
I mean, if we there we go, look at that.
All right, well, let's tape her up.
So the first step is primer.
Yep.
So we're going to prime. Have you got a mask?
Oh, he's so attractive.
Why do mine like here? Hold on. Oh my God. Hold on. Give me 2 seconds. Oh my God. I'm back. I'm back. You can see my face.
That's it. Let's pop this out. That's it.
All
And
right.
you pinch it around your nose. Okay.
Yes. Good job. Great teamwork, Lana. I'm not sure what I would do.
Without me?
Yeah. Let's let that dry. We'll come back, do all the sides, and then the transformation will happen and we'll spray it gold, and then it will be fabulous.
All right, so Bonnie isn't here, but I'm gonna take over and paint this mirror myself and surprise her. So let's do this, put the mask on, and then we're gonna spray this bad boy. Remember to shake the can. You can't overshake one of these. So pretty. It looks amazing, and we'll wait for it to dry, then we'll peel off all the masking, and it's going to look like a $400 mirror for $40.
You got what I need.
So ladies, the bathroom is done.
It is.
It was pretty unrecognisable, I
Yeah.
would say.
Yeah.
Would you say tick?
Yeah,
Tick.
Tick.
It is.
Unbelievable. But was it under budget?
It was. I'm so excited to
What was the
say.
final
I'm
number?
So proud of
Yeah, what
us.
was the exact final number?
The exact number? 4,424.
And I mean, we saved with that one where we did the hard yakka painting ourselves.
Yes.
We didn't, because it was a small space, we just felt we could manage that in our schedule. So Ez, give us a breakdown of that budget. Where did we spend that money?
The biggest spend within the budget was on the tapware.
Yeah.
So it, in that space, we had a bath, we had a shower, and we had a vanity sink. So 3 sets of tapware, and it had to be gold. I mean, that was the look. So that came to 1,500.
Yeah, and if you did use a different coloured tapware, you probably could get
You
it for a
could
bit
drop it
cheaper.
down.
Yeah.
And even if you don't change your tapware, you know, if we're just talking, because the next biggest expense was the paint.
Yeah.
So we're looking at 1,100 to paint that space.
And Ez,
And
do you
then-
think the paint was worth the $1,000?
100%.
Oh, yeah.
That's what the transformation was, the paint. I mean, I know the tapware's pretty and it's gold and all that kind of thing,
That
but
green.
the transformation is the green vanity.
Yeah.
And
And the
walls
tiles, the wall
and
tiles.
Yeah.
Once we got that little roller
Yeah,
going,
yeah. Gosh,
was
it
so
was
much
fun.
fun.
Was it?
yeah.
It was fun. And then the next biggest expense, because if you can imagine there's 3 sets of tapware, is the plumbing labour. So again, if you're only doing a bathroom and it might just have a shower in it. It may not have, you know, there's variables that can come and go to keep the cost down.
And Bon, why didn't we change that bench top and paint that?
That travertine was perfect. It was beautiful. We lucked in.
And the floor.
It matched the floor.
Yeah.
We weren't painting the floor, so everything we chose, you know, kitchen, bathroom, was based on really the floors. And if it was ugly, we could paint it. That's the
Yeah.
beauty of this paint, but we just
Yeah.
lucked in and it wasn't.
Yeah.
And so that's a big design feature to share with everyone. So you picked your colours based on the floor.
'Cause I couldn't change the floor.
We weren't able to change it. Yeah.
That is a good point. So you start from what you can't change,
Yeah.
and then work your way around.
Yeah, had I done a bright, stark white
Yeah.
bathroom in there with those floors, would have looked ridiculous.
Yeah, not right.
So Bon, a lot of people who follow what we do think we only do white, and it's not true. We actually have done lots of coloured rooms and houses.
yeah.
You know, tell us what you love about the colours you've chosen for this bathroom.
I think the thing that I love about this bathroom is it feels like a really beautifully inviting space to be in. The
Yeah.
gold makes it feel classy, but it's not polarizing in any sense. It's very calming.
Yeah.
That's what I like about it.
It is. It's and the green's very calming.
Yeah.
Yeah, love a green. My favourite feature in the bathroom is actually the mirror.
Oh.
Which was our best budget
It came out beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah. How much was that mirror?
$40 from Kmart.
Yeah.
Sometimes that's the beauty of what you do with design is that you can have something that is $40, but then
Yeah.
you can have these 2 amazing pendant lights next to
Yes.
it that then bring that $40 to life.
Yeah, that's what
You know,
what
And when you
So-
say pendant, do you mean wall sconce?
I'm not talking about boobs. I'm
Yeah.
talking about wall,
Wall
sconces.
sconces.
Sorry.
Yes.
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 Yeah, that's what I meant.
They're like pendants on the wall.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I still call them pendants sometimes.
Yeah.
Okay guys, so I think we've shown you how you can transform a bathroom, DIY the paint, get the Dulux Renovation Range into your life, and seriously experience transforming your bathroom into a day spa.
You can. If Lana and I can do it, you guys can.